Hi guys, Michelle here, Grateful Creations. Well, it is the crack of ass. It's almost 4:30 in the morning. My sleeping habits are totally out of whack. So I decided to mix up some paints and I am going to do a shadow pearl pour. I know I have been lacking on that. So I just like to do all different things all the time. So these are eye candies, and this is a 20 by 24 level 2 canvas. I love these canvases for pearl pours. They're a lot lighter and they're good quality. This is eye candy blue blood, and it's a really deep navy blue. This is Piggy. It's like a teal, but it's got a color shift to it. This is, I have no idea. Are you kidding me? If you can pronounce that, yeah. And this is Shisho, also a color shift. It is a purple, blues and pinks. And this is Fossil Gray. Now to all of these, I've added some RIP dye. That is the big secret. It's not a secret at all because I've been telling you guys for a while. RIP dye makes it perform like the color art without, and I do have a color art one too. This is Firefly, and I accidentally put some RIP dye in it, so I don't know how it's going to react. We'll see. Yeah. So I'm going to put down my colors first, then put the pearl mix down, then blow it out. And I have no idea what order I want to put these in. I kind of sort of do. You guys are interested in a mixing video, let me know. I can mix the colors and I can mix the pearl mix as well. Okay, that's better. And then the gray. I put black RIP dye in the gray, so we'll have to see how that goes. All right, here we go. And am I straight? Kind of, sort of. Okay. it better? Yeah, I'm loving it better. Look at all the cells now. That's blue, man. Blue does it. Don't know what it is. I like the blue with the gray, though. Well, it started out as eye candy and ended up as color art. Sorry, eye candy. It wasn't your fault, it was mine. All right, I'm gonna leave this paint until tomorrow. Well, it is tomorrow. This is really cool how the pinks blend into the purples, and it's good. And I love that that's all negative space, almost negative space. I'm not gonna muck around with it anymore. Yeah, just enough. So guys, this is what I ended up with, and I should have stopped. Oh, my neighbors are making noise. I don't know how those little streaks got in there. Oh boy, here we go. I think my house is sold. Yay! I got an offer today and I'm countering, and hopefully it'll go through. Anyhow, yeah, so this is what it should have, where I should have stopped. I'm gonna put it up right now. And this is the end result, which I'll probably paint over.